Shh, let go, let go.
Feel him?
There he is. Nice fish. There's a lot of bass back in here. Let me get you here. Here. No, I got him here. That's a big one. Throw that fluke like I told you. Just open your bail, throw it right in there. I'll put you a white fluke on if I have to. It's a big, nice big bass. Ew, nice fish. I knew they were in there. Go ahead, man. Open your bail. Get yourself some slack. There you go. Now cast it right up in there where I was. This is a big old head shaker. Look at him.
Oh.
Nice big bass. They're all in here, man. That was on the pearl, so if they don't want the pink, shh, it's a bass. It's a spot. Big ones. Good throw, man. Good throw. Now you watch you. Don't worry about him. You're about to be on. Nice big fish. Oh, come here.
Ooh.
Nice fish.
Keeper?
Yeah, but we're not keeping these.
What?
We're not keeping them.
So what's
Nice
the point of
spot
fishing?
on the paddle tail pearl fluke.